So how do you restore the Play Store on your Android phone? So if you cannot find it on your device, make sure that you look around your home screen and also swipe up so you can see if it's not part of your apps. In here from the app drawer, you should be able to find it as long as everything is normal. So for me, it is right there and I can always add it to my home screen if I wanted to. However, if the problem is a little bit more serious, right, meaning that you don't even find the Play Store in there, just open up the settings like this. Make sure you come back to the main settings section and find the apps from the list of menus. And in here, you want to essentially find the Google Play Store like this, because everything is sorted alphabetically, so you should be able to find it, right? So you have the Google Play Store in here. And as you can see, it is possible to disable the app, and it's probably disabled for you as well if you cannot find it. So make sure you click on the button to re-enable it, right? So at the bottom in here, you'll be able to find enable button, and then this is going to make sure that the Play Store will come back to the device and you'll be able to find it in the app drawer and use it normally. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know below in the comments if it worked, but definitely subscribe for more so you don't miss future tutorials and videos like this one.